Hello students, we'll continue with the next topic in chapter Food and Health, and our today's topic is deficiency diseases. As we studied that for proper functioning of the body, we need to have all nutrients in our diet in proper amount. And what are these nutrients? They are carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and proteins. Let's see what is a deficiency disease. Deficiency diseases. A disease caused due to lack of one or more nutrients is called a deficiency disease. As we studied that a balanced diet is extremely important for the good health of a person. Any imbalance in the diet might lead to excess or insufficient intake of certain nutrients. Means if we are not taking any one of the nutrients, it might lead to excess or insufficient intake of nutrients, and insufficient intake of particular nutrient can lead to a disease called deficiency disease. In simple, we can say that if we are not taking any one of the nutrients in our diet, we may suffer from diseases, and this kind of diseases which is causing due to lack of nutrients in our diet is called deficiency diseases. Now, today we'll discuss about the deficiency due to vitamins. Deficiency is caused due to vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins and fats. But in today's class, we'll discuss only the deficiency due to vitamins. Now, vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. This we have already discussed in our previous classes. Okay? And they also keep our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. Let's see the deficiency diseases one by one. Now the first one is night blindness. It is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A in our diet. Now, how do we know that person is suffering from deficiency of vitamin A? By some signs. Okay, these are the symptoms through which we can come to know that the person is having deficiency of vitamin A. Poor vision or blindness in dim light. Poor vision. This is related to our eyesight, okay, or vision. A person who has deficiency disease of vitamin A is not able to see in dim light or in dark, and this is called night blindness. As in this picture you can see normal vision and night blindness. Person who has normal vision can see even in dark properly, and the person who has night blindness or deficiency of vitamin A is not able to see in the dark. Now, how can we overcome from the lack of vitamin A in our body? By taking diet or food which are rich in vitamin A, like milk, green leafy vegetables, fish, egg yolk, papaya, carrot. By including all these foods in our diet, we can overcome from this disease. Now, the second one is beriberi, and this disease is called due to lack of vitamin B in our diet. Now, what happens in this case? Due to lack of vitamin B in our diet, the person feel tiredness. The person get tired very soon, Then loss of muscle function means the muscles of the person become very weak and he has very little energy to do work. Then speech difficulties. Speech difficulties means person will have difficulty while speaking. Okay. Now what are the sources or how can we get rid of deficiency of vitamin B? By taking the diet which is rich in vitamin B, that is cereals, then beans, pulses, unpolished rice. Unpolished rice means a rice which is not polished. Okay. Now the third type is scurvy. Scurvy is caused due to lack of vitamin C in our diet. Now in the pictures, as you can see, the person having swelling, infection and bleeding of gums. So the person who is suffering from scurvy or who has lack of vitamin C in the body will have bleeding gums, infection and swelling in gums. Okay, and we can overcome from this disease by including this foods in our diet, that is orange, melon, pineapple, tomato, cabbage and amla. They all are very rich with vitamin C. Now the next one is rickets. Rickets causes due to deficiency of vitamin D. And what happens in rickets, or what are the signs or symptoms of this disease? The bones become very soft and bent. In the picture you can see the bones are bent, the legs are bent and they are very soft. Now the poor teeth formation. The teeth formation is very poor. Then pigeon type chest. The chest become like pigeon. Okay. As we know that vitamin D helps in absorbing calcium minerals in the body, which makes the bones strong. When there is deficiency of vitamin D, then bones of child remain soft and these soft bones break easily. Okay, you can see the pictures that they are different from a normal child. Now what are the sources of vitamin D? So the sources of vitamin D are milk, egg, sunlight, milk products, and the richest source of vitamin D is sunlight. So today we studied about deficiency diseases of vitamins. In next class we'll study about the deficiency of minerals. And today we'll end up our class with this quotation, that every time you eat is an opportunity to nourish your body. Means whenever you are eating, you are nourishing your body. Okay, it means we should always try to eat healthy. Thank you, children.